Do you wonder if it is necessary to get project management certification, considering the inroads artificial intelligence (AI) tools are making in project management? To put it in plain terms, will AI take over project management jobs? Well, most experts agree AI won't replace project managers. However, it will replace certain repetitive, low-value tasks that project managers currently carry out. Projects like schedule object, tasks like risk identification, data trends, budget tracking, and so on can be handled by AI. However, AI cannot replace things like leadership. It cannot replace stakeholder engagement. It cannot replace conflict resolution, strategic thinking and decision management, and very importantly, emotional intelligence. The truth is that AI is a tool, and any project manager that masters this tool becomes the master of project management and becomes the master of the project manager that does not master AI tools. Question now is it still necessary to get PMP certified? The answer is a resounding yes, now more than ever. Why is that so? First, PMP is the global gold standard for project management. Secondly, AI integration is a PMP evolution, not a replacement. PMI for now emphasizes business acumen, power skills, and digital skills, including artificial intelligence. So how can a project manager secure their job from AI disruption? We want to look at what we call the 5S framework. And the first is strategic thinking. That's very, very important. We'll discuss it later. The next is soft skills. Things like communication, empathy, all fall under soft skills. Next is system thinking. And finally, we are looking at smart tools. We need to embrace artificial intelligence tools as project managers. It is said that a new project manager is a tech-enabled leader. How about that? Welcome to Project Management. My name is Sunday Ehaya, and I'm a PMI certified project management professional. Welcome to this channel where we discuss all things project management. We'll be having our online training on project management very soon, and this training is going to be free for as many people that subscribe. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section as well as your questions so that we can attend to them in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.